Nowadays, we find that in the Western culture, they say that manners is building old age homes. Islam has got no place for old age homes. Because Islam believes that we should love and respect our parents. And there are several verses in the Quran. Surah Luqman, chapter 31, verse number 15. Surah Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 8. Surah Anam, chapter number 6, verse number 151. Several verses which say that we have enjoined on the human beings that to be kind and good to your parents. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, in the book of Adab, chapter number 2, hadith number 2, there's the person who approached the Prophet and he asked him that who deserves the maximum love and companionship in the world. So the Prophet said, your mother. The man asked after that who? The Prophet again repeated your mother. The man asked after that who? Again the Prophet said for the third time your mother. The man asked after that who? Then the Prophet said your father. 75%, 3/4 of the love and companionship goes to the mother. 25%, 1/4 goes to the father. In short, mother gets the gold medal, she gets the silver medal, as well as the bronze medal. The father has to be satisfied with the mere consolation prize. So Islam teaches that we have to love our parents, and especially as far as companionship is concerned, the mother gets 3 times more. So in Islam, there is no place for old age homes. So whatever manners and etiquettes that we teach our children, it should be in line with what our Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants.